Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to approve creators as branded content partners on your Instagram. So first of all, go to the settings here and then tap on the business button. Here choose the branded content and you will find on the list approve content creators. All the content creator profiles that you want to work with as a brand. So for example, if I choose Cristiano as a partner, if I want to work with him as a content creator, I can approve him. Let's check if it's the legit Cristiano profile. Of course it is, 300 million followers. So maybe I want to hire him as an ambassador for my brand. That would be good. Then I can approve him. So now we can work together, which doesn't mean that he will work with me, but I allowed him. Quite funny. Yeah, so this is how you do it. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing. That would be really helpful for me. And see you in the next one.